guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about dining rooms and chairs. So a lot of people think when you see a dining room table, especially if you go somewhere that has the dining room tables in a set, that you have to purchase the dining room table with all the chairs. But you can actually mix and match them. So you can see on the end here they have two captain's chairs, which adds a very dramatic look to the dining room because these are like the head chairs. And then they have different chairs for the other chairs, and these are ghost chairs. But it very much makes a cohesive look, but adds drama. And this is something that you can do. A lot of people like to do captain's chairs on the end, maybe two chairs on this side, and possibly a bench on that side. There's different options and different ways to decorate your dining room, and having everything be matchy-matchy isn't necessarily a rule anymore. It's actually, we're kind of doing the opposite now. So this is a great way to decorate your dining room. And if you also notice, they have an accent wall on the back wall of their dining room, and I love this. You can do this with any kind of porcelain tile or wallpaper or paint or stencil or anything, just to add the drama, because this is at the front of your home right when you walk in. So that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier. And if you have any questions, reach out to me.